Prevent those ugly metal stains and discolored pool water with periodic products CuLator PowerPak 1.0 Metal Eliminator and Stain Preventer. The only product that removes and eliminates stain-causing metals from pool water. CuLator is easy to use. Simply open the package and remove the CuLator PowerPak from the instruction sleeve. Place the PowerPak directly into the skimmer basket and turn on the filter pump. CuLator's patented polymers bind to the stain-causing metals and permanently trap them in the bag. CuLator's polymers change color, revealing the stain-causing metals eliminated from the pool water. After 1 to 2 months, simply remove the CuLator PowerPak from the skimmer basket and toss it in the garbage. One PowerPak can eliminate 1 part per million of metals from 20,000 gallons of water. The CuLator polymers are non-toxic and biodegradable. Remember to replace the CuLator with a new one to keep the pool surfaces and water stain-free all season long.